Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make butter culture at home. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Next, add 1/4 cup of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Gradually mix in warm water until a soft, pliable dough forms. Knead this dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth. Then, cover it and let it rest for at least 2 hours in a warm spot. Once your dough has rested, divide it into 8 to 10 equal portions. Take each portion and roll it out into an oval or round shape, about 5 to 6 inches in diameter. Sprinkle some kalonji seeds and fresh cilantro on top, gently pressing them into the dough. Heat a tawa or griddle over medium-high heat. Cook each kulcha for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until it puffs up and gets golden brown spots. As soon as each kulcha is cooked, brush it generously with melted butter on both sides. This gives it that authentic rich flavor and soft texture. Serve these delicious butter kulchas hot, straight from the tawa, alongside your favorite curry, kol, or a tangy chutney. They are truly best enjoyed fresh. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container for up to 2 days. For some delicious variations, try adding finely chopped onions, mashed potatoes, or grated paneer to your dough before rolling. You can also use a mix of whole wheat and all-purpose flour for a healthier twist. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't worry if your first few aren't flawless. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy making and sharing this wonderful homemade butter kulcha.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.